In this problem, the diagram below shows two quadrilaterals. Remember, quadrilateral means four-sided objects. The first object is a square, and the second object is a rectangle. The question we have for this is, what is the difference in areas between the square and the rectangle? Well, one of the things we know, of course, is the formula for area of a square. And it is side times side. Now we know with squares that squares have sides that are all the same length. So we can just put a 6 meters there too to visually represent that they all have the same side. With this information, we can just easily plug in 6 meters times 6 meters, which of course is 6 times 6, which equals 36 meters squared. Okay, so that's the answer for that first object. The second object is a rectangle. So we need the formula for the area of a rectangle, which is length times width. I've decided that, of course, for my objects, I like the longest side to be the length. So the equation is just going to be 10 times 3. Now, in truth, of course, with multiplication and addition, order does not matter. But I like to keep things consistent. So the answer, of course, is 10 times 3, which is 30. But it's not just 30, it's 30 meters squared. Okay, so we have our two bits of information that we need to answer this equation. Let's kind of write it out. Okay, so this is going to be square minus rectangle. And the reason that it's square minus rectangle, and of course we're doing subtraction here, so order does matter. So let's look back at our question here. What is the difference in areas between the square and the rectangle? Okay. So difference, of course, is subtraction, and we have the two objects, square and rectangle. So now that we have kind of an idea of how this equation, what this equation should look like, let's just plug in the numbers. The square's area, of course, is 36 meters squared minus 30 meters squared. Okay, so now it's just a simple subtraction problem. And these numbers are easy to subtract. We don't even have to think about it. The answer is going to be 6 meters squared. And of course, you want to box your answers when you get your answers. If you have any questions, just let me know in class. Thanks.